Hi guys, Shane again. It's been a while, I know. Let me just look at Friday evening, what's happening on the 28th of January. Bitcoin. Okay, so we're still looking at this big ass correction happening right now. So that's why I'm saying to you guys, please just hang on, wait for this A, B, C to finish what it's doing. At the moment, we've done our A or one and massive sideways for a B and most likely a C down to up to 40k or so and then turn around. Unless, like I said before, if it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we keep going higher. But looking this from experience, this is very choppy sideways. Okay, that's most likely to be a wave B. So I figure this will be a size C, wave C, and then a new low, and then we go higher, just to add more max pain to everyone else. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking at the moment. So if we can get up there, great. If it breaks this little line of here, I'm getting out of my long position. I would like to get at 40,000 and start looking at any price action to start shorting it to the lower side. If I look at the 4 hour, you can see nicely it's still got room to move to this major trend line. Okay, so we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So it could be done, but this doesn't look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up. Definitely a sideways move for a wave B. All right. If I look at what else we got Ethereum doing very similar thing. Okay, not going anywhere. Ripple XRP doing very same sideways movement. So got a 1, 2, 3 down to here, and this to me looks like a very nice A, B, C. We should have shorted this top of the spike here, and that is our 4, and then down to 5. So ideally, if we get to 50 cents, XRP 50 cents would be one amazing buy, I think. How much lower? Well, how much lower can it go? 30, 40 cents? I'm not sure, but 50 cents in my mind would be a very good buy on XRP. If I look at ADA, still sideways like everyone else. It's got a massive move down, very big correction going sideways now. So at the moment, if it goes to 1 hour, this could be one of two things. We've got A, B, C, D. I'm waiting for my E to finish. Could be a triangle. If that's the case, then it's a very low like this, and we get a new low before we turn it up. We were looking for the A, B, C initially, but it never happened. So now definitely looks like a triangle at the moment. So nothing to trade at the moment. So let's look at quickly another one, Phantom FTM. Okay, this one looks pretty awesome for a buy lower down. Okay, so FTM we've got 1, 2, 3. Looked like a 4, and I needed a 5 down there. Didn't give it to us, so it gave us a 1, 2, 3, bigger wave 4. Now waiting for Y5 to finish. So that is my wave 5 target down at 1.8. What is this? Whatever that is. Okay, so if you can get down there, it's a very nice buy on Phantom. Now, if I just zoom out a little bit here, or zoom in. Remember, this is our massive expanded flat. 1, A, B, C, and that should be going. Hasn't gone yet, so we might wait for this wave 5. Then again, if this is not a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, why am I considering something else? Look at the wave 2 and look at the wave 4. A lot bigger on the wave 4 side. So this could be what we call a 3 wave 1, 2, like this. Okay, to give me this $1 exactly to turn up on the green line. Okay, so either 1, 2, 3, 5, and we should bounce from there. If we don't, unfortunately, it's going to go like this. Do another 3 waves and then down to there. Okay, so we have 3-wave structures like this. 1, 2, 3, 3-wave structure. Again, correction. 1, 2, 3. And that is definitely a buy zone if we ever get down to $1. Okay, so at the moment 180, 170 looks good. Otherwise, $1 is definitely a buy zone for a Phantom. What else can I look at quickly? Let's see if I've got Luna. Okay, Luna, just very quickly on this one. Still looks like it needs to make that new low. So if I look at my three-way structures that I told you about, like ABC, 1, 2, 3 up there, A, B, C. This is a very, very good target to start buying up. So if I look at, just zoom out a bit here, that's the 618 as well, retracement, which is at $40. So Luna, eventually, when it gets down to here, it would be one amazing buy as well. Okay, guys, that's all I've got for you for now. I'll chat to you soon. Thanks.